Welcome back, guys. This is Jay from the Crypto Arc. I'm going to give you guys some updates on new protocols called THOR and Power. I've been keeping track on them for the past couple of days, and for one of them, which is called Power, and THOR for a couple weeks now, 2 weeks. Now, keep in mind, this video is not financial advice, so please do your own research. Yeah. Okay. The Fed. This motherfucker. So they're the biggest manipulator of the game. So you want to keep an eye on this website right here, which shows their repo, the repo rates. So with this money, they basically buy treasuries, mortgage-backed securities, and yeah, this also affects the crypto market as well. They don't say it directly, but yeah, it does affect the markets. By crypto market, I mean. All right, so the next guy is the Dixie. So when this is positive, it's gonna put pressure on the market. There we go. 10-year yield, okay, so fairly stable, still around within range, 1.8 to 1.2. It's been in that range for the past year. Yeah, once again, the Fed is manipulating that. And here we have crude oil going up way high. So that is a big pump right there. So I can see this guy causing a slight increase in the market. Is yeah. So Dixie saying, oh, it's gonna put pressure on the market. This one's saying, oh, it's nothing, neutral. This guy's saying it's positive. So yeah, my guess is gonna go up. Let me refresh just in case. I opened this like last night, and I haven't opened it since. Okay, went up a bit. That's cool. So here we have Bitcoin going up a bit, and yeah, the rest of the market's following. As you can see, it's in the greens. Pew! Look at that. But also you want to pay attention to the stable coins as well and their volume. Actually, you gotta open it individually, but I don't want to do that right now. And also understand that they are lagging indicators. So usually when they're pulling out of their stable coins, how it would reflect on the price is it would say 0.99. However, it's kind of like, as you can see, it's lagging. It's a lagging indicator. In the past hour saying it's negative, but the price is positive. But yeah, don't pay attention to that too much right now in this video. All right, first one, Store Finance. So I got in on this one when it was around like $80 or something, and I spent enough just to get an Odin node at that time, and it cost me around 63 Thors. Now it costs 78 Thors to get an Odin. So that would be, with this price, around like 8,400, 8,400. So I did make a good bet on this one, and ever since I invested on this, which was around here. See, I thought I got in on the dip, man. I thought the dip was right here because I was looking at the previous price, which was like just a week. And this is a brand new protocol. Just keep in mind. So I was like, oh, nice, yeah, I got in a low price, and then it just kept on dipping because people in the chats just, oh my god, were annoying at that time. But yeah, it established a new bottom around here. Now, silly me, I didn't pull the trigger. I was just hoping my other picks would like grow, but it didn't work my way. But anyways, as right after I purchased it, I was earning some rewards, so I am now in profits, so I'm happy about that. However, I'm not going to sell my Thors. I'm going to compound it and make another Odin and make more nodes, so that way I make more passive income. Now, it is a bit of a risk for me to do that because I should try to take my initial return of investment right away, because this is still a new project. Like, it's just a bit over a month. So you never know what could happen, man. But they are in the process of doing their KYC. And actually, THOR already did their KYC with Assure DeFi. or it's not reflected in their website yet because yeah, they're still in the process of cleaning their website. So let's take a look at some updates here in crypto Twitter. All right, I do remember them doing an interview with Cryptonaires a couple weeks ago on YouTube. So if you get a chance, take a look at that, see what they have to say. So THOR and Power, basically they're almost the same thing, man. THOR is on the AVAX protocol, and Power is on the Phantom protocol. But Power is more so like THOR 2.0. Reason why is because THOR actually solved selling pressure that other projects similar to THOR and Power had. And if you want to know more specifically on that, like the technical details, you got to join their Discord. They're wide and open. Anyone can join, and you can learn more about it in there. So let's see. Okay, so the whole idea of union of transparency. There's just basically an alliance of different projects that that's just telling people, yo, we're gonna be transparent with you guys. That's how I view it. But the idea of this guy Hive joining or forming an alliance with THOR is definitely a good sign that they're getting more notice from other projects. So that is positive for me, even though I don't know who they are. So I did some digging who they are, and they said this in one tweet: "Forget Ring and Thor." I'm like, what the heck? I thought they were supposed to be together. But once again, I looked at the dates. I was like, oh, December 13th. I'm like, oh, okay, probably hating then. Now, and this person posted, why forget? They're doing a great job. They're like, completely agree. We're invested in both. Just a figure of speech. What a funny way to say things, but that's pretty cool. All right, so who exactly is Hive Investments? They're very new, guys. So I'm investing right now in what I call very new startups, slightly bit over a month old. So who are these guys? Hive represents many exciting things, primarily a collective style group of savvy, brave, yet professional DeFi investors. I look forward to okay. So that's what they are, man. Now they do have a list of people in here right now that have taken the roles. However, I didn't do further digging into these guys and who they are. But that's them, man. So I like to take high risk. Okay, that's the type of person I am when it comes to cryptocurrencies. You guys gotta have your own goals as well, because when it comes to crypto, it's very volatile. So if you get into a new project like what I'm doing right now with Thor nodes, you gotta be on them like on a daily to see their progress. And so far, I'm loving the progress with Thor. I'm definitely doing a good job when it comes to maintaining their community as well as evolving the protocol itself. And they are gonna release a new contract by next month, but you gotta wait for it. So we're gonna enjoy that price increase, the price pump, just in January. And I know people are gonna take their investments out. That's just normal. So corrections in the market is normal, is expected. So look for those corrections, and that's when you want to move. That's when you're supposed to buy if you want like good ROI. But that is not financial advice. That's just my opinion. All right. Okay, so here we have now you can track Thor Finance on DBank. So that's just gonna put more eyes towards this project right here. So that's great for mass adoption. I'm not gonna look into who DBank is, because yeah, you guys can do that yourself. All right, next on the list, Power. Let's look at the price. Okay. Oh yes, yes. Okay, I got a story for you guys. All right. So yesterday morning, I was looking at the price around here. So I was like, wow, this is a good bottom to have. Wait. Let me retrace over here. Okay, so it was around here that I actually made the decision to want to buy, but I could not get my phone or my MetaMask to connect to Spooky Swap. So I asked my brother. He didn't wake up until around here, or actually around here. And then from here, I sent in the money. I told him, yeah, you know what, man, even though it's high, just buy. I don't care. I trust where the project is going. So I bought around here. So for a whole day, I was regretting my decision. I was like, oh, fuck me. I should have chased the top. And then it formed a new floor right over here. But I was looking at the project. I was keeping track in the Discord. And they were making some good improvements in the protocol, which I'm going to tell you guys. And then, I told myself, like, yo, fuck, I should make another move. So, I asked my brother to help me again. And then, here's the thing. I sent in my first one around here. I sent my FTM. So it was around here. And then I wanted to do a tester first because I didn't want to lose money at all. So I sent in a small amount. It went through. So I'm like, okay. Then I sent in the rest, which is a bigger amount. So for a whole, I think it was like 2 to 3 hours, Bitrue was being a bitch, man. Fuck, it was stuck in limbo, and like the price kept going up. I'm like, fuck. So I ended up once again purchasing around in the $7 region. First one I wanted to purchase here. Second one I wanted to purchase here. But you know what? There's nobody else to blame but me. So I gotta take accountability for that. So what I'm gonna do with this profit, which is not my price target yet. Anyways, yeah, it did do a flip. It's like what 2x for me right now, so I'm happy with that. That's just within within a day. So damn, that's pretty good money. But I'm not gonna sell yet, man. I plan on selling around $30 or so, just enough to get my initial return on investment plus pay some bills. So I am happy with this progress. Now let me show you guys its highs. So it's half of Thor's all-time high, but yo, I got in at a good price. Look at that. It's not the perfect bottom. Perfect bottom was somewhere around here. I started noticing it around this time, but I just didn't pull the trigger right. Or didn't pull the trigger, period. But now it is going up. So let's look at some progress they're doing. So basically this is THOR, but they're on the Phantom chain. They're multi-chain yield protocol. And let's see here. So they have launched their RPC endpoints as well, so making them a little bit more of a legit node. And what that does is just reduces gas fees and also makes it faster transactions, similar to what THOR did. Let's see, what else can I say about this? Let me check their Discord in a different. Let's see what updates they have. Oh, yeah, basically I showed you guys. They are also changing their protocol or making progress towards it, and we're gonna find out next month. It's similar timeline with THOR. So overall, guys, even though these projects, both Power and THOR, are fairly new, I have high confidence towards the team and the progress that they're doing. So I'm still holding my bet with them, and they are also, both of them, in the process of adding NFTs to their protocol. So hear this out. With the nodes, they're gonna NFT that, so that way there's like an identifier that this node belongs to this person. And what people in the future are gonna be able to do is sell it to other people. But I want the option of being able to give to someone as well. But if you can do that with the regular NFTs, for sure you can do that with the NFT nodes. So that is one cool progress. Now, here's another thing. With other NFTs they're going to produce, what it will do is give them power-ups. And that's the crazy part. So some of the power-ups can be increase the yield a bit, so you get more rewards. Next one would be to reduce the tax, because you do get some claims tax. So like, let's say you have an Odin node which produces 2.73 Thors right now. Its current rate is gonna change as more people join in. There's gonna be less rewards to give to everyone. That's just normal. However, the price is going to go up. Now, that is not financial advice, okay? So, that's not financial advice in a sort of way, okay? I'm not saying this is a good price to buy. Honest opinion, I think so. I definitely is. I'm contradicting myself. Or whatever, man. You make your own decision. It's your money. Where the fuck was I going with this? I lost my train of thought. Holy fuck. Oh yes, NFTs. NFTs. So yeah, the NFTs are gonna give them power ups, either reduce like increase yield, reduce the ROI, uh, sales tax. I can't remember what the third one was, but they'll make more of an announcement. They'll talk more about it once it's released, which should be next month. Yeah, that is all I have. If you did enjoy this update on Thor and Power, press the like button. So that way you can help the channel grow. And share this information with your friends and family as well. Because we're at that time right now where we need some passive income, man. Because I don't know about your situation, but people in Toronto were locked down again. So some of these people can't even make money. However, I am. So I'm kind of rejoicing on it. I'm glad Vince from my crypto group, or this crypto group that I help make, this guy shilled both Thor and Power. So I'm like, yo, man, I I owe this guy. I owe this guy. So I don't know when I'm gonna see this guy. Probably gonna meet up sometime this year. I gotta give this guy a big hug, man. Give him some props. So if he wants to learn Muay Thai, yo, I'll definitely give him some free personal training. Yeah, I'll teach him Muay Thai. On me, on the house, on the house. Of course, I'll pay for whatever membership it needs, but whatever. I'm gonna help this guy out because he helped me out. I'm making some good money with this. Let's see. Yeah, enjoy.